Guys, I'm in bed. We did it. Hang on. I'm gonna get copyrighted, you guys. Anyways, what I did want to show you, I want to show you what we did. You guys know what we did. Go watch the videos. Alright, now, you guys have seen, I'm limping. Yes, because I'm fucking sore. Now, you guys have seen me do my laundry everywhere except for at home. But you guys have seen us do it at hotels. You've seen us do it at the hotels. You've seen me out there getting my laundry. So yes, I do wash my clothes. Now, let's hide it. Put the ball there. I want you guys to see it. Fuck, I'm sore. Motherfucking sore. It's getting washed right now. It's still sweaty. Ew. I don't want to touch it. Now, if you guys don't have one of these, get one. Get one. Because when I wake up, guess what? It's going to be dry. My clothes. I don't even have to put soap in it. It puts soap in itself. Watch, hang on. I'm going to show you. Alright, look. That's where the soap goes. I want to make your guys' life super easy. Because this is a game changer. Especially if you're like me and you need your clothes to be clean. And you don't have very many because you don't give a shit. Now we just push up the lint. I gotta get a strong man to do this for me one day. That's it. And you can do it all from your app, I guess. I don't know. I just do it myself. It says AI energy mode is on. That is a fucking game changer. If that doesn't save you, nothing will. No art tonight, you guys. We're retiring. Yes, we gotta get up early. Oh, there's me when I was a baby. I love you guys. Thank you for being my only fans, therapist. Start your channel. I want to see you too. Sweet dreams, guys. Let's fucking go.